Hi, in this video we'll be learning how to use the SEO tool SEMRush in order to improve the SEO of our website. So if this is something you'd like to learn how to do, then watch this video. Okay, so here on SEMRush, first what you want to do is click sign up. So there's a free version which you can utilize, though it is quite limited, but it's nice to get started. So you can just create an account using your Google account or just with email and password. We'll be analyzing searchinsight.io for this project using SEMrush. So what we're going to do first is add this as a project. So just copy the URL and then add it here. Okay, let's just give it a name. And then click create project. Okay, so once that creates a project, you'll see this dashboard, the project dashboard. So what I like to start first is doing a site audit just to see all the page is being crawled, and it'll give you some insights on how to improve your website. So starting out, let's just click setup. Okay, and then click start site audit. Okay, yeah, so now it's crawling the website. So we'll come back to this once it's fully crawled. So next, let's just go back to the dashboard, get back to our project here. So this is what we have so far. Okay, so next let's do just a domain overview. So this will show us all of our organic keywords and backlinks. Okay, so since it's a fairly new site, it still has a fairly low authority score, but there's a lot of backlinks. And again, all your organic traffic will be here. Okay, and you can separate it by countries here, by the device here, and also as of the date, but you need to upgrade for that as well. Okay, so next let's look at the traffic. Yeah, so this is kind of like more like Google Analytics. So I'll just show you the number of visits you have. So if you haven't set up Google Analytics, I would recommend setting that up first. So this is part of the competitive research guide, and then the organic research. Okay, so this will show you keywords you have ranked on the search engines, and also about any pages, competitors, and on any subdomains. So next we can go to keyword gap. So this is your domain, and then if you have a competitor website, you can add them here, and then it'll show you kind of what keywords you're missing. So let's just, for giggles, let's just put semrush.com and then click compare. Okay, great. So it's showing us some keywords that we can be adding. So these aren't really that relevant. So, but I'll just show you some keywords that you can also rank for here. So you would have to look through these to see what's relevant. Yeah, then over here, the backlink gap. So again, this is similar to keyword gap, but it'll just look at the backlinks. So you can compare with as many other websites as well. So, and it shows you based on the authority score. These are websites that if you can get backlinks for, will help boost your SEO. So that's part of the competitive research section. Okay, so next let's go back to the SEO dashboard of this project. Okay, so now the site audit has been completed, so we can view the full report. Okay, great. So this is what I like, is it gives you actionable issues, which if you fix will help improve your SEO. Major thing to fix is duplicate content. Just duplicates are not good for Google, because if you have duplicate content, then these pages will be competing against each other. So you want to make sure you have unique content on each page. And each page has a kind of targeted keyword. So if you have two pages, maybe of similar context, maybe putting them together into one kind of mega page, which with more content will help boost your SEO. So again, you can just look through all these to see all your issues. Again, some issues with the actual code, so you'll need a developer for that. And then just some errors with redirects as well. Okay, and it just gives you all the pages that it's crawled. Okay, and you're able to rerun this as many times as well. So let's just go back to the dashboard. So we have domain analytics. We kind of did a backlink gap over there. Okay, so again, you can connect your Google Analytics through here. So you have more accurate data about the SEMrush data and your Google Analytics data. And then your keywords are here. Your backlinks are here. So again, connect your Google services so you can connect Google Analytics and Google Search Console to get more data and opportunities to improve your SEO. Okay, so next what I would recommend is setting up the on-page SEO checker. So this will give you some more content ideas and backlink strategies. So let's click setup. Okay, so just put the relevant demographics. Yep, United States. Okay, pages to optimize for. So this one you want to be ranking for SEO tool. Add page and then collect ideas. Okay, great. So we have 7 ideas for this page, and then let's see what kind of ideas they propose. Yep, so it's just a lot about content. So again, it's saying avoid keyword stuffing. So this is essentially, this website is probably mentioning SEO tool a lot of the time. So maybe changing up the wording like SEO software, or just some synonyms that will help so that you're not overusing the keyword. Yep, so you can click on the actual link for more details. Yep, so again, this one's another major important one, is using the target keywords in the H1. And then this is great. It actually shows you what you should be mentioning in your content. So maybe adding these keywords will help with enriching your page content. Something like SEO metrics, SEO traffic, local SEO. So if that's relevant to your business, these words, and look to incorporate these. This will dramatically boost your SEO rankings if you can get a backlink from larger authority websites. So these are the ones they would recommend. So again, the difficulty score with this would be high because these aren't your properties, so you would have to convince the owners of these properties to link to your website. So through their guest posts or providing something of value to them in order for them to want to link back to your website. So again, these as well is just your technical issues. And then to get feedback on your user experience, they just recommend you connect to Google. Okay, so that's how you would utilize the on-page SEO checker feature on SEMrush. Okay, so once you are getting more traffic, you can do position tracking. So this will just monitor the rankings of your domain, of your keywords. So just so you have an idea of your SEO efforts, if you're making positive changes or negative effects on your rankings, so you can set that up here. And for this, search organic traffic insights. We can set this up as well. But again, it's asking you for a Google account to set that up. So again, this will just provide you with more insights about your traffic. Okay, so the backlink audit, we kind of did that with this tool here, the backlink gap. So you can use these tools just to help with building links. And then yeah, just looking at the tools here on the side, we have just the keyword research tools, the link building tools, and the on-page tools. But I think just what they have here in the SEO dashboard, just using these core tools would be enough to get started. If you're looking for more fine-tuning of certain SEO strategies, then you can use their more in-depth tools over here on the side. But I would say the main core tools would be all up here, and your domain analytics here as well. So in terms of pricing, I'm currently on the Pro plan, which is about $119 US a month. So that's just enough for 5 projects and these many keywords. It is pretty pricey, but it is an investment, I would say, if you're doing this for your business, because you're getting more traffic, so which is potentially more revenue for your business. But SEMrush does have a free version which just covers one project, and it's very limited, so it's just enough to check out the tool. But once you are looking for more research tools, then I would recommend upgrading to the Pro version. So this concludes the end of the video. I hope you're able to use SEMrush to improve the SEO of your website. Please like and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.